Rule number one to crush it wholesaling houses in 2024 is to provide more value. It won't be enough to just offer sellers speed and convenience and offer cash buyers a discounted property. In 2024, the wholesalers who excel will be the ones who go above and beyond everyone else. With sellers, think of additional services you can provide, such as help with relocating, occupancy after closing, a traveling notary, and so on. Recently in Boston, we helped a seller find a new place to live and even helped her pack and move. We did what no one else was willing to do, and she was over the top grateful for how we helped her. By the way, the byproduct of helping her was a $75,000 wholesale fee. With cash buyers, consider offering a video walkthrough, inspection report, 3D imaging such as Matterport, rehab quotes, and funding solutions. Never forget, as a wholesaler, you get paid in direct proportion to the value you bring or the problems you solve in the marketplace, not how much time or work you put in. Want to make more money? Bring more value or solve bigger problems. Now I've got 4 more must-follow rules to crush it in 2024, but first, this video is brought to you by Propwire. Propwire is my go-to software for property data. Propwire has over 157 million records nationwide, including pre-foreclosures, bank properties, vacant houses, and much more. But what's mind-blowing is Propwire lets you search and download as many leads as you want for free. That's right. No monthly subscription and no additional data upsells. And it's super easy to use. You literally choose your market, choose your lead type, then search and download. Propwire even has a really cool feature called lead stacking, which is when you combine one or more lead types in a search. Lead stacking gives you a list that is more condensed but also more distressed, which means the sellers have higher motivation to sell. Plus, they have a great comping tool and excellent skip tracing, making Propwire just as good or better than any paid real estate software out there. And like I said, it's 100% free. Go to joinpropwire.com to run your first search today. Rule number 2 to crush it wholesaling houses in 2024 is to double down on marketing. Free methods such as agent outreach and driving for dollars are great. Keep doing that, but it might not be enough in 2024. The industry is more competitive than ever, and the ones that will win big in 2024 are the ones who are really good at generating high quality leads and willing to spend enough money to generate those high quality leads. I think we're going to continue to see the marketing cost per deal go up in 2024. As a general rule, in many markets, you'll need to budget at least $5,000 in marketing costs per deal you generate. That means if you want to do 5 deals a month, plan on spending $25,000 a month in marketing. I recently did a deep dive video on all the different outbound and inbound marketing channels and their prospective cash conversion cycles. I highly recommend you watch that video. I'll put the link in the description below for you. Rule number 3 to crush it wholesaling houses in 2024 is to increase your average deal size. If marketing costs continues to go up, you better increase your minimum deal size to offset the increased marketing spend. The pros average $25,000 per deal. The industry average is around $15,000. If you're not averaging at least $15,000 per deal, you're gonna struggle building a sustainable wholesale business. One thing I've observed with my coaching students is raising the minimum deal size is simply a mindset shift. What I mean by that is it doesn't take more leads or different leads or anything different. All it takes is offering less and holding firm on your price, and you'll do the same amount of deals, but with significantly higher margins per deal. I found this out firsthand in my wholesale business years ago. I told my mentor at the time that I wanted to make $10,000 more per deal. He told me to offer $10,000 less on every offer I make. Now, I told him it couldn't be that simple, but agreed to do it. Guess what happened? I did just as many deals, but made $10,000 more per deal. Never forget, making money is a mindset. Rule number 4 to crush it wholesaling houses in 2024 is to make more offers. Now, this may sound obvious, but the more offers you make, the more deals you'll get and the more money you'll earn. Now, if you're not making at least 5 offers a day, that's 25 a week, that's 100 in a month, you're not going to consistently do deals every month. The pros understand this better than anyone and average more like 15 offers a day. For them, it really is just a numbers game. Do you want to know how the mega wholesalers do $500,000 per month? They follow rule number 2 and they spend enough money on marketing to generate 15 high quality leads per day. Out of those 15 leads, they close 1 on average. That's 5 deals a week or 20 deals a month. Then they follow rule number 3 and they average $25,000 per deal, which comes to $500,000 in revenue per month. I just gave you the $500,000 a month formula. Now the point is, make more offers. And rule number 5 to crush at wholesaling houses in 2024 is to learn and use more than just the assignment strategy. The assignment is just one strategy to wholesale, and it only applies to motivated sellers that have a lot of equity and are willing to sell for all cash at a steep discount. What about motivated sellers that don't have a lot of equity or sellers who are unwilling to sell at a steep discount? There are 2 other ways where you can pay a lot more than all cash and still wholesale for huge profits. The first is called a novation. Now, novation is ideal when the seller can wait up to 90 days to get paid and the property is in livable condition. When that's the situation, a novation allows you to market the property for sale on the MLS to find a retail buyer. In my Washington market, we do a lot of novations and we average $30,000 per deal. Now, if you'd like me to cover more content on how to do novations, leave a comment and let me know. The other wholesale strategy to learn and implement, in addition to assignments and novations, is creative financing. Due to high interest rates and more difficult lending requirements, creative financing deals are very desirable to buy-in holders. If you're able to structure favorable terms with a seller with a low interest rate and low down payment, you can wholesale that deal for a premium, sometimes at full value or even higher, because a buy-and hold investor cares more about the terms of the deal than the price. Wholesaling creative deals is one of the highest exit prices I've ever seen. In some of my wholesale markets, we're wholesaling $100,000 per month in creative deals. And I did a video that breaks down exactly how we do it and how to structure creative deals. I'll put the link in the description below for you to watch later. The wholesalers who will thrive in 2024 will be the ones who bring more value and solve more problems. They'll spend more money on marketing and generate higher quality leads. They'll increase their average deal size. They'll make more offers, and they'll use multiple exit strategies. But none of that will make a lick of difference if you don't have the right foundation to build a successful wholesaling business. So watch this next video to learn how to get your first deal, then how to go on to do 3 deals a month and earn $500,000 a year. Watch that now, and I'll see you on the next video.